Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Network Address Translation, which is also known as NAT. Today we'll break down the concept of Network Address Translation and explain how it works. So let's get started. At first, let's learn what is NAT. It is a technique that maps private IP addresses within a local network to a public IP address. This process allows devices within public networks to communicate with external networks like the internet. It serves two main purposes: conserving IPv4 address, which are limited in number, and the second one is enhancing security by hiding internal IPs from external networks. Now let's explore some of the types of NAT. At first we have static NAT, a one-to-one mapping of private IPs to public IPs. It is commonly used for hosting servers. Then we have dynamic NAT. It maps multiple private IPs to a pool of public IPs, assigning them dynamically. Lastly, we have PAT, which is also known as Port Address Translation. It maps multiple private IPs to a single public IP using unique port numbers for differentiation. Each type of NAT has its unique advantages and use cases, which we will dive into next. Now let's learn what is static NAT. Static NAT establishes a fixed one-to-one mapping between a private IP and a public IP. This is particularly useful for devices like web servers or email servers that need consistent public access. For instance, a server within your network can have the same public IP, ensuring the clients always know how to reach it. Now let's learn about dynamic NAT. Dynamic NAT maps private IPs to a pool of available public IPs. Unlike static NAT, public IPs are assigned dynamically when it's needed. It is efficient to use of public IPs, especially for networks where not all devices need simultaneous internet access. But a device might fail to access the internet if no public IPs are available in the pool. Moving on, let's talk about PAT. Port address translation takes scalability to the next level by allowing multiple private IPs to share a single public IP. Each device gets a unique port number for differentiation. For an example, device A, which has an IP of 192.168.1.2, gets an IP of 203.0.113.1. It has some advantages of high scalable and cost effectiveness, but the disadvantages is port number can go can exhaust under heavy traffic. Now let's talk about public IP address in NAT. Public IP addresses are globally unique identifiers that allows devices to communicate over the internet. NAT uses these addresses to represent internal devices externally. This ensures secure and efficient communication between private network and public internet. So let's compare between static NAT and public NAT. If we want to summarize it, NAT facilitates communication between private and public networks. Static NAT provides one-to-one mapping for constant public access, perfect for hosting. Dynamic NAT efficiently uses pool of public IPs for occasional access. And lastly, PAT allows multiple devices share a single public IP, making it ideal for home or small business networks. Each type of NAT has specific use cases and understanding. This helps in designing efficient network architectures. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech contents. Leave your question in the comment section below and I'll see you in the next video.